Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope everyone had a great weekend. It's Sunday, and so we're getting ready for another project update. This is week 20 of construction, and I feel like it's a huge milestone, week 20. I think I only have about maybe 2 more of these to go. So next week and then the week after, and then I think we're going to be doing a grand finale, walking through this whole place and showing you guys all the features, all the design elements, etc. So let's see what they did this week during week 20. I know it was a really busy one with Ace Con doing a lot of the construction, the electrician was in, the mill worker was in, Starcom with the IT, and obviously St. Clair putting in finally a lot of the dental equipment. So finally this is starting to look like a dental studio here. I did a little update, mini update during the week where you saw the St. Clair team putting in the equipment, but now we're going to show you a video. So let's go inside as usual. Let's turn the corner here. Open the door. You guys know the drill about now. And all right, let's go wide. All right, so again, we got the slats going down there, and then that matches this wooden feature right along the wall there. That goes into our consult room there with that display case. Like I was telling you guys for a long time, we're gonna have a product display there where we will be showcasing all the products that we recommend as dental professionals to our patients so that they can purchase the right tools in order to optimize their oral health. And here we have our reception desk. It's not fully completed yet, so I really don't want to talk too much about that. We'll go in depth later, but we're gonna have a 75-inch TV mounted there. The team at Starcom has already started to do a lot of the wiring, and they're gonna be mounting all of that stuff there. So we're gonna have a IVIVI, a 416 sign there. That's gonna be dope. It's gonna be backlit. It's gonna look awesome. And this is gonna be glass here in our consult room. There's gonna be a sliding door here. When you're in the sliding door, you will see this display case. We have underlighting so that it features all these products. It's gonna look so cool. And then we're gonna have a frame TV here to talk to our patients about their treatment plans and smile designs and whatnot. So we're gonna come through here. This is our beverage station here. Again, a lot of underlighting to highlight a lot of the stuff here. And we have lots of cabinets, looking awesome. Same sort of wooden material as all the other wooden elements that you see around here. Look at that, that's so cool. We got our beams in the corridor there that you guys seen before. Our washroom, even our washroom's dope. Like, it's actually really huge. Show you a little sneak peek. We even put wood, awesome, in the washroom. We're gonna have a display here and a ton of cabinets for storing stuff. So that still needs to be done. So a lot of plumbing is gonna be done this week. Pan room. And we start to see some of the dental stuff. So this is one of the dental chairs for our hygiene room. This is our 8X Steri Center. We went with the top of the line, the Rolls Royce of Steri Centers. We went with 8X just because infection control, health and safety is of our top priority. So we're going to be getting Alexa sterilizer, a Hydrum, ultrasonic, etc. We'll show you all those details later on. And later on, Leslie's going to be coming through here, and she's going to be doing some training with us in order to show us how to use all this equipment to make sure that we are using it efficiently and effectively. I have been so fortunate to be able to meet Leslie a few times. She's awesome. She's an angel. So I really can't wait for training with her. And here are the operatories, number 1 and 2. We'll go on this one here because that one has a bunch of stuff, but we got the Rolls Royce of dental chairs here. We have the 511 chair from ADEC. Shout out to St. Clair for being able to get us this chair here. It's super high in demand, has all the bells and whistles, touchpad. We put electric motors in this thing, so you're gonna get a lot of torque with our hand pieces, and they're super quiet. But this chair is so plush, so comfortable, so I can't wait for patients to be able to experience how it is sitting a 511 ADEC deck chair. And when patients are seated down while they're getting their dental procedures, they're going to be able to see a TV mounted on the ceiling playing Netflix, YouTube. So Sarcom's going to be coming back in order to mount these TVs for entertainment. It's going to be great. And then we're going to have another TV just right in front of the patient here in order to talk to them about any treatment plans, to show them any photographs, to really educate our patients so that they have a better understanding about their oral health, because the more they know, the more tools they have in order to prevent things from kind of breaking down. And so here we have our sort of open office area where we're going to be doing content creation, a lot of YouTube videos, Instagram videos, in order to help educate our patients and introduce them to all the technology that we have at 416 Dentistry, including intraoral scanners, digital x-rays, and the future 3D printers, maybe a CEREC machine, we'll see. Lots of storage up here. I'm going to be storing all my film gear in here, my Canon cameras, my Sony cameras, so that's going to be in there. And then we are going to have the VistaClear system here. The VistaClear system offers purified filtered water to each of the operatories here. So all the operatories will be providing our patients with filtered, purified water for their safety. So last but not least, we have a little staff room here to have our meetings, lunch breaks, etc. And then our mechanical room is at the back. It's a little bit of a mess, so we won't show you too much of that. So I'm going to flip the... So you can see there was a lot done this week, a really exciting week. And I think there's only going to be a couple more of these to go. So I'm really excited to show you guys all this. We can't wait to continue collaborating with her and other people in this beautiful Scarborough community. So thank you everybody for watching. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you next week. Peace.